All right, where are we going?
We're going to Isla De Cabras.
Isla De Cabras. It's about 30 minutes, and she's going to do some little videos along the way. Enjoy.
We both said it earlier.
Isla De Cabras. We had to look it up.
Yeah, it's like a secret place. It's very, very nice. And it's pretty. Actually, it's no one here, but it's in Cañuelo.
Super great views.
And we don't remember the name.
We're going to get some time lapses of the sunset. But we are all the way out on the point, and there's the ferry. Nice. So we made it out. Try. 1, 2, 3.
We are in
Isla
De Cabras.
Isla De Cabras.